This method can help answer key questions related to air quality in livestock facilities, including the effect of bedding, humidity, temperature, or amendments that are used in bedded livestock facilities. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows factors to be evaluated in a controlled environment and eliminates less effective treatments before conducting research at commercial-sized facilities. Demonstrating the procedure will be Alan Kruger, a technician from my laboratory.
For simulator chambers, use plastic cylindrical containers that are 0.42 meters tall and 0.38 meters in diameter, which match some 10-gallon trash containers. Start with drilling out 6 1-centimeter holes around the circumference of the container, approximately 5 centimeters from the top. Space the holes out equally. Then, clean out the container and load it with 320 grams of bedding material, followed by 320 grams of fresh cattle feces and 320 grams of fresh cattle urine. Then stir the mixture together using a 5-centimeter circumference rod for about 30 seconds. After stirring, wipe the rod clean using an antiseptic disposal wipe or warm soapy water to prevent cross-contamination of microbes. Then record the final mass of the container's contents. Next, place the plastic container in the environmental chamber, set to an ambient temperature of 18 to 20 degrees Celsius with a dew point of 12 degrees Celsius. 3 times a week, perform maintenance on the bedding packs. For this task,